Understanding compostable bags, a guide to eco-friendly choices. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore an important topic in the journey towards a more sustainable lifestyle: compostable bags. Understanding what these bags are and how they contribute to environmental conservation is crucial. So, let's delve into the world of compostable bags and learn how making this small change can have a big impact on our planet. Compostable bags are not your ordinary bags. They are designed to break down into natural elements in a compost environment, leaving no toxicity in the soil. This process happens relatively quickly and efficiently, under the right composting conditions. Unlike traditional plastic bags, compostable bags are made from natural materials like cornstarch, potato starch, or other renewable resources. They are a fantastic alternative to reduce plastic waste and its detrimental effects on our environment. In this section, we emphasize why shifting to compostable bags is beneficial. Every year, millions of plastic bags end up in landfills and oceans, posing a serious threat to wildlife and ecosystems. Compostable bags, on the other hand, offer a solution to this problem. By using these bags, we're not just reducing the amount of plastic waste but also contributing to the cycle of sustainability. When composted properly, these bags turn into compost that can nourish the earth and support plant growth. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Understanding how to use and properly dispose of compostable bags is crucial for them to be effective. It's important to note that although they are eco-friendly, they won't decompose as intended if not handled correctly. Firstly, use these bags for appropriate contents, mainly organic waste or other compostable items. Then, ensure that you're disposing of them in a composting facility or a home composting setup if you have one. Remember, these bags require specific conditions to break down, so simply throwing them in your regular trash bin won't do the trick. With various products labeled as green, it's essential to know how to identify genuine compostable bags. Look for certifications like BPI, Biodegradable Products Institute, in the US, or similar authoritative bodies that ensure the product meets strict composting standards. Be cautious of terms like biodegradable, as they can be misleading and don't always mean the product is truly compost-friendly. When purchasing, also consider the product's life cycle and the credibility of the brand in supporting sustainable practices. Embracing compostable bags is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier, more sustainable future. By understanding what compostable bags are, recognizing their importance, and learning how to use and choose them correctly, you're making a conscious decision to protect our planet. Remember, every small action counts in our collective journey towards sustainability. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Let's make a positive impact, one bag at a time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.